Let's say that you want to screen record your PC screen. You can go on PowerPoint here. You go on File, New, Blank Presentation. You don't know this, you can delete those ones. You can remove them. Okay. Then after that, you can go either on Insert or you can come on Record. Okay. You have this one there. So if you go on Insert, you're gonna come here. You see Media. You see Screen Record. Okay. Now, with this, you can select the size of your screen. Let's say that we come here now. We're gonna make a new drawing. So you're gonna click there, and then we are selecting the size of our screen. So you right click and then you hold. Okay, I should have said you left click and then you hold. Okay. So now let's say this is how big my screen is. Now I want to click on record. I click on record. Now it's counting down 3, 2, 1. Here I can start with new there. I go metric, standard, millimeter, and I start with my drawing. So let's say I'm starting with a rectangle. There you go. Done. 3D model, extrude. Then say okay. I give the material. I say carbon steel. Then say carbon steel. So this is just to show you, right? Whatever steel I put there. Then I give it the color. Which color? That's one. I say okay. So now what I want next, if I'm done with my drawing, I come, I touch there, then it's counting for how long I've been recording my screen. Then I say okay, done. So now I come back on PowerPoint. Here is my drawing. So let's see. I'm gonna stop talking and then you're gonna hear me there. Here I can start with new there. So that sounds like my voice. I go metric, standard, millimeter, and I start with my drawing. So can you see that? So now, if you are happy with this, you can save it. If you want to trim some part of this, you come on playback. Okay, you go there, you click trim, and then you trim whatever you don't need. They say that or whatever. When you're done, okay, you say okay. Okay, after saying okay, then it will be applied on your video. The next thing that you want now, if you want to save your video as PowerPoint, you can just go there and say save, normal save. However, if you want to save it as a video, you come there on file, you say save as. Okay, so I can go maybe on this PC. Okay, then I say that's one there. I say practice. But then, I'll choose video. You see there? Video. Oh, PowerPoint, whatever I want. Then I say, okay. When I say okay, then you find that you find out that you're gonna have this video in whatever file that you save it. It was a pleasure of mine. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'm gonna ask you to yourself, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like, on the next video. Bye.